To analyze thermal, UOT, and COT models, you need to post-process it with the OTOM AFP viewer. Go to the installation directory and open the software. With this software, you could also perform the ray tracing post-processing analysis. So you can here set the account for your license. You could enter your account information to activate the software. If your license is not registered, you could do share PC info. Then an email will be sent from your Outlook to OTOM Composite to share your information of the PC to register your license. If you have questions from source of the AI ChatGPT, you could also click on it. It's very similar to the OTOM AFP engine. And from the user manual, they could see all of the functionality of the software and where exactly this software capable of. So you will see in this document all of the buttons, explanations, all of the functions here. So here we will have a quick look at the general overview of the software. At the left side, you will see the first tab is about the objects. The way how it works, that you need to load the analysis, therm log analysis, which is from the UOT or COT simulations. Then when the analysis load works, then the number of tooling and tapes added to the system, and you could select or deselect the objects, and for those you could perform the post-processing. If you click on each of the UOT initializational process, you will see more information on this box, which is a table for that. Your license informations will be represented here in analysis info, and also some more information about your analysis. At the right side, you have the main window for output. Here, the plots will be represented here. This would be the number of steps of your simulations, and here with this cursor, if you make it on, you could select a point on the plot to extract more information, like time series plot. And this is a dark mode that all of the functionality became like a darker with that. And this is for transparency. You will see all of these explanation of the bottom in the help of the software. So the next step, we have the plots. We have a different plots for UOT and COT analysis. And next up, we have views. You could select different views for your plots. If you have UOT and COT models, we could select different views to represent your model. Here you could have a different representation of the mesh edges or materials if your object consists of the several materials, for example. And different representation regarding the axis here. And exploded view where a couple of layers will have some distances for better observation of the result. Here you could load the optical analysis output and see the optical ray tracing output. This is the same and similar to the post-processing thermal and optical in the OTOM AFP engine. Here you could, based on the temperature history, you could estimate the crystallinity. You could add the Avrami constant, which is experimental value here. And you could get the guide regarding the how this formula works based on the crystallinity. You could see the references to follow how this crystallinity works and understand better the background. The rest are reserved for further updates on the software. So here is the general overview of the OTOM AFP viewer. Is a tool to give you a better post-processing picture of your COT and UOT analysis.